That is sick. Oh. Videotaping?
Yeah. That is so sick. This shit's going on YouTube.
Oh, look how fucking easy it looks.
It looks easy, but it ain't easy.
Yeah, no. Ken, the service advisor that works with us, he does this.